today we have another fitness expert with us, to the very charming Meenakshi Mahotnia.
Yes, I started it very late. You can say at the age of 40, I started my fitness journey. That is because of my father-in-law. Yeah.
So,
And
may I ask you, how old are you? Like,
I am
I have
50.
never asked such question, but मेरा आज दिल कर रहा है आपसे पूछने के लिए, तो please let me know.
What they are saying, stress. This
Stress.
stress word is now, killing everybody.
Become very common.
Yes.
So, what would you love to say about women empowerment? जैसे लोग बहुत obesity को लेके बहुत वो करते हैं.
That's not good. That
What is your take on it?
I will see obese जो लोग obese होते हैं, obesity को आप ऐसे डील करो, इट्स अ बीमारी एक्चुअली.
Hi, welcome to Candid Canvas. So today we have another fitness expert with us as a guest, and she's a very big socialite of Delhi. So without wasting any further time, let me introduce you to the very charming. Hi Meenakshi, welcome
Hi.
to Luxury Aesthetics.
Thank you so much having me here.
So Meenakshi, before we start the thing, our show today, I would love to ask you few questions about your personal life, your journey, your fitness regime, like you look so young, you look so vibrant, and I've heard that you don't even apply anything on your face. You have not gone under any treatment till yet.
Yes.
So you have to tell your fitness journey plus your beauty secrets.
Yes, I started it very late. You can say at the age of 40, I started my fitness journey. That is because of my father-in-law. Then swine flu was in Delhi,
Okay.
and I was not going out at all, even for walk. And he's a doctor. My in-laws are both are doctors. So he said, आप बाहर जाओ घूमो, नहीं तो आपकी इम्यूनिटी बहुत लो हो जाएगी और स्वाइन फ्लू, ये डेंगू, ये सब आप ही को पकड़ेंगे आगे. He was just trying to make me little
Scared.
So मैं धीरे धीरे वॉक से स्टार्ट किया. देन वॉक के बाद देन ही आस्क्ड मी कि यहाँ आसपास कहीं जिम नहीं है.
अच्छा.
देन आई स्टार्टेड गोइंग टू जिम जाने के बाद मुझे धीरे धीरे, आई वॉज अ स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन इन द स्कूल.
So it means your
I was-
father-in-law is responsible for your fitness journey.
Absolutely. Then I started showing my interest in, I kept reading again and again about yoga, about those cardiovascular exercises, those HIIT exercises. Then I don't know when I reached here. It's been 17 years.
Okay.
16-17 years.
Quite a long time.
Yeah.
So
And-
may I ask you, how old are you? Like,
I am
I have
50.
never asked such question, but मेरा आज दिल कर रहा है आपसे पूछने के लिए, तो please let me know.
I'm 52.
See, this is so shocking. This is unbelievable. Like, you really don't look like. You look 10 years younger than your
Thank
age.
you so much, Saima. Thank you so much. Thank you. It means a lot. Thank you.
So, आप कैसे मोटिवेट करते हैं लोगों को? आपने जैसे कोविड टाइम में कैसे आपने मोटिवेट किया फिटनेस के लिए?
कोविड टाइम में हम लोग ऑनलाइन क्लासेस लेते थे एंड ऑनलाइन डाइट प्रोवाइड करते थे. देन इज when you are into fitness, you have lot many things to look after. It's not about खाली exercise कर लो हो गया, नहीं. You have to look after your diet also.
Yes.
Diet doesn't mean
That is
कि
like
80%
of your
yes,
diet
and
works and 20
20%
is your exercise part. Yeah.
Diet is not, doesn't mean कि you do not eat anything. Diet means healthy eating. ईट क्लीन, दैट इज़ डाइट. हमारे यहाँ पे क्या है, डाइट कर रहे हैं मतलब नहीं कुछ खा रहे हैं या स्किप कर रहे हैं ब्रेकफास्ट. यू शुड नेवर स्किप योर ब्रेकफास्ट.
Yes, healthy breakfast is
Healthy
the key
breakfast.
for healthy you like.
एग्जैक्टली. तो दैट इज़ हाउ वी वेयर लाइक ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में उनको डाइट देते थे. बाहर कोई नहीं जा पाता था, जो अपने रूफटॉप में वॉक करते थे.
So you believe in yogic diet or a normal diet like?
नॉर्मल डाइट, दाल चावल रोटी सब्जी.
Okay, or Indian diet.
Indian diet, yes.
So that is the
I
best.
do not believe in broccoli. I eat cauliflower. Seriously.
Yes, because it is equivalent. People
Yes.
they have
हमारी
in their
इंडिया में
mind.
कॉलीफ्लावर
Yes.
होता है, हमारी मिट्टी में वो उगता है, ब्रोकली नहीं. तो
Similarly, like kiwi, people say कि it has
Yes,
lot of
yes.
vitamin C, लेकिन गुआवा में उससे ज़्यादा
ज़्यादा
vitamin
है,
C
ज़्यादा
है.
है, बहुत ज़्यादा है.
सो ये सबको जानना बहुत ज़रूरी है कि आपके फूड में एक्चुअली क्या है, एंड इंडियन फूड इज़ द बेस्ट फूड विच वी कैन टेक.
यस. और लोग क्या करते हैं, कार्ब छोड़ देते हैं.
Yes, that's very bad.
वेरी बैड. जब आप कार्ब छोड़ देते हो, प्रोटीन खाते हो, तो आपकी प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस कैसे होगा?
Your kidney fails at times.
एंड यू नो, ज़्यादा प्रोटीन अगर डाइट ले रहे हो, यू शुड ड्रिंक एटलीस्ट 3 to 4 liters ऑफ वाटर. कौन पीता है?
And
कोई
that
नहीं
should be
लेता है.
also a balanced diet is a must, because if you're taking a
Yes,
balanced
yes.
diet,
हमारे दादा दादी ने हमें जो डाइट दिया था, हमारी मम्मी लोग आज तक जितना स्ट्रांग है, मम्मी पापा, हम इतना नहीं है, बिकॉज ऑफ दिस अनहेल्दी ईटिंग.
yes, they are still healthy.
यस.
आजकल की जनरेशन में तो if you go and find out, like in 20s only the kids
They
are
have
having
PCOS, they have
PCOD,
sugar,
yes.
they have PCOD, they have BP problem. What they are saying, stress. This stress word is now, you know, killing everybody.
become very common.
Yes. हमें स्ट्रेस हो जाता है, पढ़ाई में स्ट्रेस हो जाता है,
To look good, they have
स्ट्रेस हो
stress.
जाता है. यस.
एयरपोर्ट लुक नहीं अच्छा हुआ तो स्ट्रेस हो गया, पार्टी में कुछ हो गया तो स्ट्रेस
Stress
हो
हो
गया.
गया.
सो इट्स लाइक दिस, इट्स बिकम वेरी कॉमन.
यस.
So just tell me few of the secrets of your skin, beauty skin, the way it's shining and it's glowing. So though we always we have clients in luxury, the people who are already coming to luxury aesthetic, taking treatments from here, and the skin is glowing, so they talk about it. But this female has not taken anything till now from here, nor has she taken from anywhere else.
No, never,
So
ever in my
today
life.
she will tell us कि उनका secret क्या है.
See, I will say my secret is yoga and exercise. First. Secondly, I use all those kitchen ka milk. Every day I put raw milk, chilled raw milk on my face. And I use all those dals to scrub my face. Haldi besan se I take bath. All these things I do. I have never put, for runway week walk also, I have done many shoots, many shows, but I have never put any, I do not have any makeup at all. I do not have any lipstick. I do not have only kajal. Also, my mama sends me. घर का जो काजल होता है, that she sends me. Nowadays, I have started putting these eyelashes. That's it. All these are from my kitchen stuff.
That's
Whatever you
wonderful.
are
That's
eating-
really amazing.
Whatever you are eating, you can put it on your skin. 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, just put it and wash it.
Yes, that we
Grapes.
also do.
White grapes are very good for your skin. Just 3
Many things, yeah, like tomato. Tomatoes are very good. You know, it closes your pores.
pores also.
And then
Tomato, dahi
potato
and besan.
juice.
Yes.
It's good for your dark circles.
yes.
तो बहुत
Unless
सारी
you have a
remedies हैं.
normal skin. Potato juice is not recommended for dry skin. So then you can put cucumber juice.
Yeah.
That is very good for your skin.
That works
Chill.
as an astringent.
Yes.
So I also know, because I also followed my nanny's formulas, because she was doing all this when I was a child. Like I was small, so I used to have lukewarm water, and then I used to do yoga in the morning, some meditation exercises. Then I was walking with a book on my head, like models they used to walk. So my granny has done all this with me previously. So उनको बहुत knowledge थी. She was from Mughals and she was a very experienced lady. तो उनसे मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा. Then lemon she says कि whenever you are applying lemon, don't apply it like this
Directly.
only, directly
Yes,
on your
yes,
skin.
yes.
तो बेटा पहले उसको soak कर लेना चाहिए रात को, फिर उसको आपको अपनी skin पे लगाना चाहिए.
Or else what you can do, you can put little honey with
On
lemon.
it.
Then you can apply on your skin.
And without the juice and all, because it's very citrus.
Yes,
Direct to your
yes.
skin is
It's
not at all good.
Yes.
Yes. So moving further on our next segment, I would love to ask you, आप अपने personal fitness और wellness को approach कैसे करेंगे? Like how will you describe that?
See, what I will suggest, my fitness is like brushing my teeth every day, taking bath every day. So every day 45 minutes का workout का plan मेरा होता ही होता है, whatever the situation may be.
That's your food.
Yes, that's my food. That's my fuel, you can say.
So what would you love to say about women empowerment? जैसे लोग बहुत obesity को लेके बहुत वो करते हैं, ट्रोल करते हैं फीमेल्स को एंड दे टॉक बैड
That's
अबाउट
not
इट.
good. That's not good. That
What is your take on it?
I will see obese जो लोग ओबेस होते हैं, ओबेसिटी को आप ऐसे डील करो, इट्स अ बीमारी एक्चुअली. सो यू डील विद दैट कि हमें हेल्दी रहना है. तो उसी हिसाब से आप काम. कोई मुझे बोल रहा है, कोई मुझे चीट मतलब बुली कर रहा है ओबेसिटी को लेकर, उसके लिए आप वर्क मत करो. उसको लेके आप स्ट्रेस मत हो. आप अपना ओबेसिटी के लिए वर्क करो कि आप कैसे अपने आप को हेल्दी कर सकते हो. एंड नथिंग नाउ इट इज़ kids they are putting on weight like anything because of all this
Junk food,
junk
fast food.
I will tell them just go for a walk. Do not do anything else. Eat healthy and go for a walk. You will see the change in 1 month.
Walk
That
is very good, yes.
There is nothing like walking and swimming. These
best
two are the
exercises.
best exercises. और इसको आप ना रेगुलर रूटीन में डाल दो. कोई एक्सक्यूज मत करो लाइक आज ये हो गया, ये होगा तो हम करेंगे, वो होगा तो नो 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 नो. आप सुबह उठते
Be
हो, brush
religious
करते-
about
yes,
it.
you'll have to be dedicated. डिसिप्लिन होनी चाहिए लाइफ में.
Okay, now let's start our rapid fire round. Your favorite workout routine?
कार्डियोवास्कुलर एक्सरसाइजेस.
Okay. Yoga or cardio? The next question
Yes,
was this.
yes.
So cardio.
Yeah.
Okay. How long do you do that?
45 minutes.
Treadmill.
No. I do all HIIT, high intensity interval training.
Early morning or late evening workout?
Early morning. I'm a morning person.
Oh, that's good. People usually are not early morning these
Yes.
days. They sleep late, they party hard, and then they get up late in the next
Yes.
morning, and your whole day goes.
Goes.
Weights or body weight? Exercise.
Depends. Sometimes with weight, sometimes without weight.
It depends on the mood.
Yeah.
Favorite healthy snacks?
Poha or oat chila. These two are my favorite.
Okay. So you are vegetarian.
No. I am a hardcore non-vegetarian, but I have some days like Wednesday, Saturday, Sunday I take non-veg. Those days I take boiled eggs or egg poach or omelette, whatever. But normally I take poha or oat chila.
It's mostly like me only. Your breakfast routine is like me only because I eat egg one day and the alternate day I take poha, chila,
Yes.
and that too with lots of veggies inside.
Yes.
And you'll hardly find poha in my poha. So it's loaded with vegetables.
Vegetables.
Yes.
That's good.
So one fitness rule you always break. That's very tricky.
Sometimes, yes, no. Sometimes I do like if I'm in my gym, so I do not see if I am in a mood to do workout. If it's 1 hour, 1.5 hour, 1 hour 45 minutes, I don't check the time. That is.
Okay. So should we move to some spicy questions? As you said that you are not full of spice in this segment, I would just like to answer few questions if you can, but I don't want to skip the whole part. Describe the wildest party you have ever attended and what made it unforgettable.
Frankly speaking, I have never attended such parties till now.
If you could switch lives with any celebrity for a day, who would it be and why?
Malaika.
Okay, because
Yes.
she's also a fitness freak.
No, she has proved age is just a number. She is reversing her age.
That's the fact.
Yeah.
Even her skin and all.
Everything.
Yes. And she's working hard for it also. She is
yes.
very particular about
Yes,
her
she
fitness
is very
regime.
particular. Yes. Every day she will at least she will either do yoga or other fitness exercises.
Share the juiciest gossip you have ever heard about someone in the fitness industry.
I'll pass it on. I have no answer. I have never heard.
Okay, so if you were to write tell all about your life, what would be the juiciest chapter about your life? Like any personal.
Yes. Our marriage.
Okay.
मेरे हस्बैंड जब मेरे he is a very close friend of my cousin sister. He saw my photo in her wedding album. And he said he was only 27 then. Then he said he went back home and he said, "Mama, अगर मुझे शादी करना है तो इस लड़की से करना है." देन मम्मा सेड कि नहीं, ये तुझसे बड़ी है, इसकी छोटी सिस्टर से तेरी बात चल रही. नहीं नहीं, 1-1.5 साल 2 साल बड़ी हो तो चलेगा, करना है तो
This
इससे
is the
करना
करना,
है,
and that
नहीं
was
तो
you.
नहीं करना है. एंड इट वाज मी, एंड आई एम द luckiest one.
Yes, indeed, you are. So, my next question, now we have finished with your spicy part. So, now you can take a deep
Yes.
breath. So, what exciting projects or collaborations are you looking forward like for your future? What are your future plans?
So as of now, I have I have started spreading this awareness कि how fitness is important in your life. So that I am trying. So I have a plan to make a studio where there will be no equipment, and 40 plus
Females can join.
Yes, male, female, whoever
Yeah.
it is. 40 साल के बाद फिटनेस क्या होता है उनको उस स्टूडियो में सिखाया जाएगा कि एवरीडे आपकी हेड टू टो मूवमेंट जो है कितना ज़रूरी है आपका.
For your joints, for your muscles, for your
yes.
strength.
खाली आप जंप करने से नहीं होगा. वो जंप करने के लिए जो स्टैमिना चाहिए आपको कहाँ से आएगी? आपकी नीज, आपकी शोल्डर, किसी किसी को फ्रोजन शोल्डर हो जाता है, किसी को नी
Your
पेन हो
back,
जाता
your
है.
spine.
तो देर आर एक्सरसाइजेस, आप अगर रेगुलरली उसको करो तो ये सब प्रॉब्लम आप अवॉइड कर सकते हो. वो स्टूडियो में खोलना चाहती हूँ. आई एम वर्किंग ऑन दैट.
So, best of luck for it.
थैंक यू सो मच.
We would love to wrap this up because almost the questions are over, but we will do some candid chats as we were doing. So,
ओके.
we can continue with some gossips.
You know, in my social circle, they say whenever they will start gossiping, Meenakshi, खोल खोल हाँ या ना, कुछ
Delhi,
तो बोल.
Delhi females.
Yes, I'll be sitting like
Like
this.
they want some gossip from you. And you are not a gossip
No,
person.
not at all. I'm a chill out person. I go, I party, I just take out my I live for that moment. I enjoy with my friends and I come back home with happiness. Because my husband has said कि आप बाहर जाते हो तो खुशियाँ लेके आओ. बाहर क्यों जाते हो इतना
हाँ,
effort लगा
टेंशन
के?
मत लेके आओ.
फिर वहाँ से टेंशन मत लेके आओ.
Then
वहाँ
it's of
जाओ
no use.
अपनी, हाँ बस that
And you should not carry grudges also. And be happy, spread
Touch wood,
happiness.
till now I do not have everybody is my friend. I have earned lot many friends here in Delhi. Lot many friends.
That's the best part.
Yes, I have earned that.
So
in
keep
life.
smiling like this and keep reversing your age. What was your experience when you visited Luxury Aesthetic? Like, how did you like it?
When I entered this, actually this is so much positivity here. One of my very close friends, she comes here.
Okay.
Yeah, she is. She told Dr. Rashi. She comes to Dr. Rashi. She has a very nice experience with this. I will also try someday. Definitely,
You
I'll try
should,
someday.
you should.
Yes, she was praising a lot. She was praising a lot about this. And when I entered, no, I feel like this. Every corner of this. Every corner is smiling. We're very welcoming.
It has positivity.
Yes.
Because our staff, our therapists, our
Everybody
doctors,
is.
everybody is positive in this clinic.
Yes.
So we have positive people like you. That
Thank
is
you
why.
so much. Thank you.
So before we end this, I want you to sign as usual. So you have to give one message to Luxury Aesthetics
I'll
for
sign
its
my name.
future with your name here. So we'll be having this mug on our shelves as a memory with us. Thank you. And here goes this gift hamper, which is from Luxury to you.
Thank you so much, Saina. Thank you. Thank you so much.
You have been so quick with the answers, so it's all yours.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you. And let's stay tuned for our next guest.